Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. Today I'm looking at the Ferrari Collection Magazine number 44. This one is the Ferrari F312 B2 Formula 1 car. We will have a look at the 143 scale die-cast car at the end, but until then I'll quickly go through the magazine, show you what actually came in this issue. So inside this issue, the competition models was the 575 GTC. We do get a 143 scale car of this particular one. The single-seater is the 312 B2 from 1971, which is the car I have here. Production models is the 375 GTB/4 Nart Spider. Again, I believe we get actually a copy of that as well. Don't know if I've shown that off already. And the poster is of the same car we have here. I'm not going to read everything in full detail, but if you have seen these videos before, you know what to do. Press pause if you want to read the whole article. Hopefully I've got that in focus now. We should just check that. Yeah, make it a little darker. Otherwise it gets hard to read with the light. The success of the glorious 550 Maranello, the 575M Maranello from 2002 is arguably even better offering. Competition version, the 575 GTC, was a blind blend of beauty and brawn. It is an absolutely beautiful looking car too. There you go. Engine is a 65-degree V12, just under 6 litre, 600 brake horsepower, 7,000 RPM, very nice. Maximum speed, depends on the final drive ratio, it says. Yeah, okay. And only made in 2003, and they made 12 of them. That's the GTC version. I think from memory there actually comes with a black die-cast car one. I'll have to have a look again. But there were a bunch in this series that came as race cars, besides the Formula 1. Keep moving on. Excuse me. A winning debut in Portugal. So the 2003 FIA GT World Championship in Estoril, first for Bambini Peter. 2004, so they actually ran it the following year as well. Monza third, Magna Corse second. BRNO, what is the BRNO? Is that Borneo? No. Second, Donington, first and third, Spa, 24-hour, second. Very good. All right, from the archives, the 312 B2, 1971. Now you can see the car that I have here actually comes with number 2, and I was trying to confirm to make sure I've got the right car, but it appears to be, because that's what's written underneath it. Swiss driver Clay Regazzoni at the wheel of the 312 B2 in 1971. Excuse me. Sorry, dry throat. Through the records show that the 312 B2 success in Formula 1 was limited. The model had some notable moments of the 3 seasons that it competed. Imagine they can run them for 3 seasons. They don't do that now, do they? Barely run them for 1 race. Alright, suspension modifications on each side of the white dome. Behind the F312 B2's cockpit were 2 vents which had additional function of supporting the rear aerodynamic wing. Okay. Oh yeah, I can see that on the model. Engine is a 180-degree V12, so that's a flat 12, is it? 180-degree V12, that can't make sense, hang on. I'm not understanding. That 180 would be horizontal. Where's the V part? Okay, I'm confused with that. Capacity is 2,991, just under 3 litres. 470 brake horsepower. I had to actually put my hands together to work out what a 180-degree V Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll get a look at it in here. There's one with number 30 on it. Number 4. So Jackie Eek, the wheel of the 2 victories that the 312 B2 secured in the Grand Prix races, came towards the Formula 1 World Championship. The first with the Netherlands in 1971, while the second took place in the legendary Nürburgring circuit in Germany in July of 72, where Clay Regazzoni finished second. Very nice. Still don't understand a 180 degree V12. How is it a V if it's 180 degrees? Anyway, honours podium positions for the 312 B2. 71 Race of Champions, first for Regazzoni. Monaco, third for Eek. Dutch GP, first and third. German GP, third. Jochen Rindt Memorial Race? Don't know that one. First, and Corsa did Championi. Reading up here. 72, they came third for Eek in Argentina. Spanish was second, Eek, third Regazzoni. Monaco was second for Eek, and German was first for Eek and second for Regazzoni. They did very well on the German one, didn't they? Yeah. Moving on from that car back to road cars. 275 GTB/4 Nart Spider. Supremely fast and exclusive. When Ferrari importer and head of Nart is the North American racing team. Right, okay. Luigi Cinetti requested that Ferrari modify a number of 275 GTB4 models for the stateside market. The results were breathtaking. Saw a stunning hardtop coupe transform into a breathtakingly beautiful performance convertible. Yeah. It's a nice looking car. Raising the roof. Interior retained all of the best features of the 275 GTB4. Elegant leather upholstery and a full range of clearly visible instruments. A synthesis of luxury, exclusive, and refinement. The Nart Spider was one of the earliest and most elegant convertibles in the 1960s. Nice. Sure, it's worth a pretty penny now. Last of the line, Glamour. Engine is a 60-degree V12, 3.3 litre, just under. Yep. 640mm Webers, 9 twin-choke carburetor. No, it's a DCN/9 twin-choke carburetor. 300 brake horsepower at 8,000 RPM. Wow. 250 km/h top speed of 155 mile an hour. 10 were produced. Yeah. All right. Coming up in the magazine 45 is competition model of the Ferrari F40. I think I have 2 of these. I found another one online that was called Competizione, Zoni, rather than just competition, and I bought it as well. So I actually have 2 of these particular ones, which would have come from magazine 45. Maybe I'll grab both of those off the shelf when we do that one. All right, having a look at this particular car, come down onto this camera. I actually like the quality of this one too, especially how the engine is framed and the likes. It might have a bit of dust on it. Yeah, it does. So, like I said, though, I've got number 2 here. Also got maybe a bit of hair there. I clean my cars usually with a microfiber after doing a makeup brush on them. Now, look at the engine in there. You've actually got extra paint on the little can at the back there. I don't know what that is, a catch can of some sort. Fuel filter. Let's get in there a little closer. So you can see there's a fair bit of detail, including a gold exhaust / yellow. It's a very matte colour. Don't know whether this symbolises it's been wrapped with something, but I like it. And there's that framework that holds the rear wing and rear suspension in. So it actually goes all the way up under. To be honest, it's not actually touching the wing. The wing is actually only from this engine fairing there, which the latest Formula ones did a couple of years ago with that type of downforce. Now we do have a seat belt. Let's get the light. There we go. It's a print, basically, but the Ferrari Magazine collection, if you can get your hands on some of these secondhand, I've found some. Like I said, I got that extra F40 that I'll show off in the next magazine. The competition one. I've found some others also at stores. You can still pick them up. People are offloading their collection, but I don't believe you can subscribe to this anymore. Anyway, I'm going to put this on the turntable so you can have a look at it without my hands in the way. That's Ferrari Magazine number 44. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.